How to add money or funds to Bitget wallet account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to download and install Bitget Wallet app. Tap to launch Bitget Wallet. Sign in to your account. Now proceed by tapping on wallet icon at bottom right corner of your screen. You simply need to look for the option of Add Funds and tap on it. So Bitget offers multiple deposit options including bank transfer, cryptocurrency deposits, and payment gateways like credit or debit cards. For this guide, we can choose credit or debit card if you have the option available. Simply enter the amount to deposit and then you need to complete the transaction by entering the amount and entering your payment details. Confirm the payment and then once the transaction is completed, funds will be appeared on your Bitget wallet balance and it's ready for use. And that's how we add money or funds on the Bitget wallet account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.